and welcome to the first episode of I Know a Place with Spicy Pickle Panda on Project Express. First episode, we're at the Waverly Glen Park, Waverly, New York. Supposed to be some really cool waterfalls. We're gonna check them out. Nothing going on though. Some picnic places. Cook you up some burgers and fries for free out of the sunlight. Oh, there's a concert tonight. Wish I would have known that. And another little one over here. And another little cool rock place for people to sit and hang out and watch whatever's going on. Gonna head out that way momentarily and try to get a look at these falls. Oh, we're on camera. Surveillance. Where the falls are. It's not a very long walk. And then back down to where the pavilion was and what have you. There's also like a playground and some tennis courts. Here's the first fall we came across. Relatively quickly. It's a short little jaunt from where we parked at. Pretty hot out today, but in the shade it's nice. Got a pavilion over there. Pretty serene. Places to sit. They got it all. She loved this place. I would too. Check out this other one. Oh, there's no plaque on it. Is this it? First fall we came to, last fall we came to. That's it. I wonder what happened here. This couldn't be a crime scene. It's gotta be old and broken. Whee! Little post board. Gotta have permission to do it. Right next to a public restroom. Wow, you don't see that very often. And then the swings, other parking, pavilion. You thirsty? More signs. going on here. place if you wanted to come and have a picnic or what we're doing out here. Hence the name, I Know a Place. Just basically see people walking their dogs. We're not gonna walk the whole thing because it seems like there'd be no reward in it. We saw the falls. Or the fall.